guys, it's your girl Tia, Makeup Tycoon. I am here today to do a first impression. I love first impressions. I really love first impressions because it kind of gives you a general idea of how someone likes a product or dislikes a product just off the first impression. But to be fair, I've had all of these for a long time. However, my impression has changed over time, and I'm going to give you guys an honest review. We're going to be talking about today Younique's Moodstruck liquid shadows. The first thing I'm going to show you is a few of their liquid shadows that they've kind of tampered with throughout time and brought out in some of the monthly customer kudos that they do, and in some of the customer bundles that they do. My dog gets on my nerves. Let me let her in. I'm back. She's old and she doesn't give any kind of shits as to when I'm recording or anything. Shout out to my cup of coffee this morning. That's delicious. Okay. When I first got these, I will say that I was like, impressed. Kind of like, they're cute, you know, and they were fun, and the colors are really pretty. You know, this one's like kind of holographic or whatever. But I didn't use them very much. And I'm not going to say that I didn't really like them. I just wasn't just like, oh my gosh. Well, at convention this year, 2019 in August in Orlando, Florida, Younique announced that they are going to be permanently adding liquid shadows to their makeup portfolio. Over the moon with excitement, most people. Me, out dealing with these, I was kind of like, okay, you know, sure, fun, right? Well, I bought a couple. I bought 3. I am going to tell you guys that I love these liquid eyeshadows. Like, I'm in love. Like, I want to marry them. In love. Like, I may not ever wear other shadows again. I'm in love. I really, really do love them from the very first time. I don't think the formula is any different. The packaging is definitely different. I just think that the color variations that they came out with and my ability to just kind of like really slow down and focus on them gave me the opportunity to really see them for what they truly are. I was looking for the ink on my fingers. I used Inkbox semi-permanent tattoo, and it was a disaster. I got it all over the place. So I'm going to show you today the new ones. These are the ones that are part of the portfolio. I think there's about 6 in the portfolio. I will drop the link in the comments to take you directly over to that. If you are watching this during the month of September, they have the liquid eyeshadows in the customer kudos. A cute little bundle. Comes with mascara primer, and 2 of these. It's a really cool deal, so check that out if you're on the website. But yeah, first impression, this packaging is everything. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if my focus game is, I know you can't see that. I don't know if my focus game is strong or weak or what right now, but let me tell you, this packaging is sexy, okay? It's like a plexiglass type of material, I guess. Plexiglass, I don't know if that's the word you want to, acrylic. Let's go with acrylic. It's kind of like an acrylic material, you know, the acrylic cosmetic cases that you put to put your makeup in. It's kind of like that, and it's almost like this little tube is now inside the acrylic casing. Y'all, when I tell you this is so sexy and so cute and so dainty, it's like you want to buy one just for this, okay? Okay. It's square, it's trendy, it's small. You can put it in your purse. You can put it wherever you need it. It's really, really cute. A lot cuter than this. And call me a sucker for cute things, but maybe that's why I didn't like these that much, even though the formula is the same. But these, baby, these are so cute. Like, I want 56 of them. Okay, I'm all set up to swatch these for you. These are the only ones available right now on the website, like these three and I think three more. These aren't, but I'm just going to show you these colors as well, okay? Just so you can see how pretty they are. Okay, I wanted to fast forward this. Like I said before, these are no longer available on the website, but they were liquid eyeshadows that came out in promotions, kudos, specials, deals, and things like that. So it's really well worth being in a Younique Presenters VIP group so you can get first dibs on stuff like this. A lot of it sells out really fast. I will have the Beauty Squad by Makeup Tycoon linked in the comments before if you need a Younique Presenters website. These are beautiful. I think that Younique just took some time to test colors and formulas and things like that before they truly released the real deal. So, with that being said, let's show you the real deal. All right, so like I said before, I only have 3 of these. I'm probably going to go to the website and buy some more. This one is called, let me see, where do I find it? This one is called Exalted. Oh my god, this was so pretty on. Like I mentioned before in VIP groups, if you hop in the Beauty Squad by Makeup Tycoon on Facebook, there's daily posts in there, and most likely you'll see somebody wearing this with your same shade and skin tone. It's just a beautiful thing. Oh my god, this right here. How should we do this? Let's do it up and down. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. Exalted is this color. Just like a beautiful peachy orange, I guess. Perfect for fall. This next color I'm going to show you is called Egotistical. I have not tried this color yet, but it is beautiful. Okay? If you are a pink girl, you are a must-have. Egotistical. Oh my god, let me find it. I really love this brush. There it is. Look at that brush. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Girl, that's important. This right here is important. This is important. Okay? I don't know why I can't seem to find the camera. Egotistical, you guys. That's important. I'm going to go ahead and say that this is the most important thing that you'll ever buy. This is beautiful, okay? That's gorgeous, honey. Last but not least, let's go to the brand new one, Ornate. Just kind of like a copper, I guess. It's more like a brass. We're going to call it a deep brass than a copper. Oh my gosh. I definitely am going to go ahead and say that I think the formula has changed. Slightly different. You've seen the liquid shadows now. These are absolutely stunning. Okay. Can you see that? Let me show. Let me show. Oh my god. Like my arm is flicked, so I can't really just show you guys. I guess you can see that. They are gorgeous. They are absolutely stunning. Okay. These are beautiful. So if you want to get your hands on these, I'll drop the link in the description below or in the comments below or in the descriptions above, wherever you're watching this video. Call your presenter. Get some of these things, man. If you don't have a presenter and you need somebody to work one-on-one with you, just drop me a message or drop me an email or something like that. I'll have all my contact information in the comments and we will get you taken care of. These are Younique's Moodstruck liquid shadows. First impression is the bomb. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. Subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And stay tuned because I'm going to do a how-to wear liquid eyeshadow video and a tutorial and a look. So you guys have a great day. It's early morning for me. Sip your coffee, sip your tea, or go get some water if you hadn't had any today. See you later. Real quick, I'm gonna come back. I just want to tell y'all, smudge proof.